Hi, I'm Alan.
And I'm Darcy.
We recently went to San Miguel de Allende.
De Allende.
Thank you. And we'd like to share our experiences.
So, what was your favorite thing?
The food.
Oh yeah, that's true.
There are so many great places to eat. Restaurants,
Tacos.
street tacos, to rooftops.
Yeah, one of my favorite things was the tacos and tequila tour.
Oh yeah, that was good.
That guy was great. Great. We should put a link
We
to
should.
him. Okay, that was fun. I also loved, as an artist myself, I also really loved the Chapel of Jimmy Ray. It's the coolest recycled artist's home.
Yeah, we didn't get any video, but we have a lot of pictures. They'll be on the video.
Yeah, it was great. Everything's recycled. Fences and walls made out of wine bottles. Just really cool.
One of my favorite things is taking the ATV tour to the lake. The sad thing, the lake is filled up with some kind of water hyacinth, but they said they're going to work on that.
Yeah, it's an invasive plant that has completely covered the lake, and they work really hard to destroy it and get rid of it, and it grows so fast that their efforts are not working
No,
yet.
the fishermen can't fish anymore.
Nope.
Anyway, you'll see that in the video too. Enjoy. Oh, like and what? Subscribe. Okay, we come into the Guadalupe neighborhood and we're looking for murals. And there's painting everywhere. So fun.
It's a beautiful mosaic here.
I like that one. He's shiny. Here's the best one yet.
Check this out. You never know what you're going to find in San Miguel. It's a donkey motorcycle? How fun is that? All metal.
Motorcycle is 1 horsepower.
It's another beautiful night for a sunset at Luna Rooftop. Yeah, he's trying.
That's it.
So we just finished our tour to the La Gruta hot springs, and now we're stopped by one of our favorite places, El Manantial, which was established in 1920 here in San Miguel. And Alan got the shrimp tostados, or tacos, and I got the tinga tostados. He's got the ginger margarita, I got the limon, and we're ready to dive in.
All right. And there's a sign. And here's the kitchen. Hello. Thank you. Hey, we're at rooftop. Our first course is truffle fries. The DJ is thumping, so I don't know if anybody can hear me. And we're on the rooftop, but you know, not much of a rooftop view. This is the chapel of Jimmy Ray. Everything is recycled.
Yeah.
We just stopped at this fantastic taco truck. $1 for a taco. And it's full of chicken. And apparently this is where all the police eat, so it's gotta be good. Inside Cafe in Darcy got the big sexy breakfast.
So exciting. This is right up my alley. It's a little bit American, but it looks delicious.
Yeah, and look at
You see what Alan's getting.
look at this view.
All right, here's Alan's sandwich.
I got the big grilled cheese sandwich.
Oh, that looks nice. Are you sure you can handle all that?
Oh, I can handle it.
Look at that. Oh,
This is a big grilled cheese sandwich.
get in there.
Look at that cheese.
Amazing.
So good.
Nice.
Okay, we're changing to one more vote on the best grilled cheese. Gracias. And this is where the grilled cheeses are made.
He's the man.
He's the man.
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Oh, Mamma Mia's.
Two. Where would you like to sit?
I don't know.
Okay.
Do you want to sit down there?
Look at this food. Look at that food. So, we got chicken parm and a nice pizza in a great setting here at Mamma Mia's. We found this gentleman making candied nuts. And here on the street corner, he's got a burner and sugar. And he makes the most beautiful candied nuts. What's your name?
Jose.
Jose. Thank you, Jose. Here at Kibak Coffee. And I found a lovely date. And this gentleman's going to make us some espresso. This is a great place. You see, sit upstairs.
Popular.
Super popular. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. Bye.